All right, welcome back to the channel. It was my birthday this week, and my wife bought me a nice little gift for the shop out here. So figured today we'd open this up, take a look at it, and figure out where we're gonna mount it. So we'll do that now. Got the stand. Looks like we go here. Screws in there. All right, let's figure out where we're gonna mount this thing. All right, so I got it mounted up here inside of this. I chose this because I got this on wheels here, so I can slide it out and move it around. But let me go grab a bike here and throw it on. Looks like it works pretty good. Turn it, just adjust that. All right. I think we're in business. There we go, and that is the Park Tool PCS 12.2, and I think it was like $145, but it's a lot nicer than this $35 one that I bought off eBay a couple years ago. But this one does the trick. Especially, it's nice to be able to just take it outside and use it to wash bikes and everything. But yeah, this was just like a eBay Japanese or Chinese special that I found for 35 bucks, so I bought it up. But the quality of this Park Tools one is no doubt hands down way better. So all right, well, thanks for watching, and we're gonna start putting this timberline together.